Hey, what's up everyone? This is Yash Makan back with another video, and in this video we are going to start a brand new series where we will be creating amazing Flutter designs. The designs can be of any platform, either web or mobile. So basically we are doing this to learn how we can translate any UI or any image into Flutter code. So in this series, my main motive is on the front end and not the back end side of the app. So the drill will be that you guys can share the images and the URL from the internet of any resource or any app UI idea that you have, and I will create that in my future videos. So make sure to drop below that resource as well that you want me to create in part 2. So, if you are new to my YouTube channel, then make sure to subscribe my channel as I'll be uploading more of these amazing videos in future. And with that being said, let's dive in.
So we are on my laptop and let's reveal part 1 UI clone. So in this video, we are going to create this Instagram mobile clone that we are having inside Figma. So basically what we'll create is this UI design, and the complete design is right here, as you can see. Zoom out, yeah. So we are going to create all this header, stories, post, and suggested for you, and then another post like this complete UI. Not the backend, just the front end part. All the components that we are having are right here, and whatever icons that we are going to choose, everything is present right here. So let's create this UI. So first, what I'm going to do is that now in this complete series, I'm going to code along with you. So you guys can know whatever challenges we have, and we can code simultaneously. So I haven't created any project yet. So first, inside my Flutter UI designs folder, I have to create a Flutter project. Basically, you can run Flutter create command, or what I can do is that I can go to the Android Studio and then click on new Flutter project, choose the Flutter SDK path. I'm going to choose Flutter 3.0.2 and then click on next. Now here I'm going to name it as Instagram clone. Instagram clone. Perfect. Now what we are going to do, that the platform is Android and iOS only. Okay, and that's it. Now let's hit finish. Now it will automatically create a Flutter project for me, and let's speed this up. So as you can see, our project is successfully created, and basically I can switch back to the project folder, and here inside the lib we have our main.dart file. Now let's just remove all of the boilerplate code that we are having. Now let's set as debug show checked mode banner as false, so that the top right banner that appears should not appear, because we don't like that. Perfect. Now I'm going to do this. Now inside lib folder, I'm going to create a new directory known as views, and inside that I'm going to create a new directory homepage. inside that we are going to create a new directory, components, and inside homepage I'm going to create a new dart file, homepage.dart. Perfect. Now I'm going to import the material.dart and then create a stateful widget name as homepage. And now let's just import the homepage from here. And then instead of this, let's add a scaffold. Let's add a body in the center. Let's give it a child text testing. Let's see if the app is running or not. So basically, let's add it a constant as well for now. Cool. So let me just run the app and take a look if it is working or not. And let me meet you guys after that. Alright, so as you can see that our app is successfully installed, and I think you cannot see because I haven't initiated my emulator yet. So let me just open up my emulator for you guys. Boom. So as you can see, we have testing inside our center widget right here as we initialized. Now what we have to do is that, now to save you guys some more time, what I did is I basically extracted all of the icons that we are going to have in the app. I extracted all of the person images that we are in the app, that are present in the app, the Instagram logo and the Instagram mini logo. So all these things we want in the assets folder. So let's do that as well. So inside the Instagram clone, let's go to new directory, create assets folder, and then copy all of these files and paste it right here. Awesome. So we have these files as well. Now let's go to the pubspec.yaml and include these files as well. So go here. Now below this, assets, now it is present in icons. The last slash means that we have to include all the files present inside this folder. So inside the assets, we have to include the story persons as well, and then inside the assets we have to include Instagram logo.png, logo menu. Now let's run the pub get. Okay, so it is running the pub get in Instagram clone and it is completed as well. Awesome. Now what I can do is that inside lib I can create a new directory known as constants. Now inside constants, let me create a Dart file known as assets. Let's create a class here, my assets. Great. Let's ignore that part. Okay. Now let's create static const string, and now let's define all of our assets that we are having. Okay, so we are having this Instagram logo. Okay. Let's change the case as well. Awesome. Similarly, I'm going to do with all of these assets. So 3, 2, 1, boom. So we are completed with the my assets class here. I have assigned all of the icons, the logo, the mini logo, and the story persons that we are having. Awesome. Let's minimize this as well. Now let's go to the home page. Now let's open Figma. So right here is the UI clone that we have to create. Okay. Now let's forget about the bottom as well. Bottom for now. Like we have search page, add, heart, and then the profile icon as well. So let's forget about that for now. I'll add that later on. But let's first focus on the home page. That is the first page that we are having. Now, let's create this header part first. Cool. So this is the heading part that we've created in Flutter. Pretty easy, pretty basic, right? Now let's focus on this thing, the scrollable story widget that we are having. Okay. Great. After this, what we have is the post. The post contains from, basically better we can see from here, this divider and this divider. So let's create this post right here, and then we can duplicate the posts. Okay, so first we have, after the text, we are having a height of 8 as well. So let's pass that as of now. Cool. And then we are going to create a story widget. So let's create a post section as well. I'm going to go to import material.dart SDF post section. Great. And then I'm going to use post section right here. Now, to resolve all of these issues, I'm going to add const here. Then perfectly it is working. Now this post section that we are having, let's create that, right? So
right? So as you can see, the app is successfully completed, and this is the complete UI for our Instagram clone application. And it is pretty easy. You can add all of these inside the list.generate. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and how is the UI looking. I'm not going to go at the backend stuff, like how we can go to backend and the state management. We are not going to cover the layers. We are just going to cover the presentation layer, that means the front end part, how we can create the UI from any design, either Figma, or later on in the series we are also going to pick UI from the images as well. So do let me know, and also if you have any specific image or Figma design, then do share me that as well, and I'll cover that in my next video. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. And if you like the content, then make sure to smash that thumbs up icon, and also share this video with your friends as well. So if you want the source code for the complete UI design that we just created, then you can grab a 4-digit code from the video and then paste that within the URL that I've passed in the description box. So with that being said, I'm Yash Makan. Peace out.